Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with new video on how to filter any data frame on basis of some condition with having two examples or methods we can say. Those are filter and where majorly. We'll be watching both these functionalities and of this method into this particular video. So let's get started with the video. To deal up with both of the methods, I have just taken up an example. That example is basically, you can see here that this is the data frame on which we will be playing around with having different methods and different options. So when we run this, you can see that it is having this particular it looks something like this data frame, which is having name, age, salary column, in which there are few nulls, and age and salary are the numerical columns, name is the text column. First method we are having into our list is filter. So what I did is, suppose if you want to filter the data frame based on the age column which is greater than 30, for that what you need to do, for that only option you are only one of the option you are having is df.filter. In that you can just provide your data frame with the column greater than 30. That's it, means nothing that much calculative or something, it doesn't involve that much syntax as well. You just need to provide this only, df.filter, df is greater than 30. As soon as you run this particular shell, it will give you the data frame with having is greater than 30. So you can see here that a is having 35 and 40 is giving. Rest of the other is, that is 25, it has been dropped, null, it has been dropped. So it is working like that. Another option we are having, again filter method only. Here also it was dot filter, here also it's dot filter, but this time the difference is we are using call function which we are importing basically from the uh, SQL functions, .SQL functions. You can see here I have imported Pyspark.SQL functions, correct? So this will be imported from SQL functions. That means we do not need to provide the data frame this time, and we are having multiple condition this time. That means if age is greater than 30 and salary is not null. That means two conditions, based on two conditions we want to filter out the data frame and then output the things. So as soon as we click on shift plus enter, you will see that it has given you the desired result. That means whichever age is greater than 30, also the salary is not null. That means this time it was this eve salary was null. Now you are not getting the eve salary, only Charlie salary and age. So that was. And another option we are having of dot where. This dot where is also a very useful one to filter out the data frame. For that what we are doing, df dot where, again the call salary, either you can take call salary call function, or else you can go ahead with the data frame name along with its column. Only thing you need to do is greater than 1000. Instead of filter, it's where this time, nothing else. As soon as you click on shift plus enter, it will give you the desired result. That means salary whichever having greater than 100, it is giving you right now 150, 200, 200. Then another one we are having, if you want to have selection of some particular column, because you now need those two columns only into your output data frame, and on top of that if you want to apply some filter either by dot where or dot filter, you can go ahead with having this. That means df dot select. First you are selecting these columns which you want it to output data frame. After that either you can apply dot where or you can apply dot filter. I have just taken an example of dot where right now. So I have taken some other condition here, df is less than 40. It is giving you both of the columns here with having name and salary you have which you have selected here, and is less than 40. You can verify it from the above one. This is the original data frame. This is the filter dot data frame. Let me rerun it so that it should be demonstrated against you. Another use case which I am showing, we are revolving around dot filter and dot where only. But this time what I'm trying to show you is we are using dot filter but not on the data frame, but it's right now on the RDD. For that what I did, nothing but df.rdd I have just done to convert the data frame, normal data frame, to RDD. Once it is converted, I have applied dot filter, and since the RDD is iterable instance, so for that what we have done, we have taken lambda function in which each row we are taking, and on each row we are applying this particular condition. That means salary is not null and salary is greater than 100. As soon as it is getting converted, that means as soon as that rows are getting filtered out, we are changing back to the data frame with 2dft. Okay, 2df. Now as you click on shift plus enter, it will give you the desired result. That means salary is not null this time, and whatever salary is greater than 100 it is giving. Correct. Now the last into our list is expr. Again we are doing with only dot filter, but this time to deal up with this string value, that means to just parse this string, we are using expr this time. Expr is again a SQL function, .sql function, which I already showed you. As call was the SQL function, this expr is also the SQL function, which we are again going ahead with salary greater than 150. Whatever it is giving you into the result. Just dots. Just for your convenient sake of convenience, I have done merged all the whatever I have shown you the syntaxes and the commands of above. I have merged those into a single shell so that you can have a screenshot and later you can refer this particular one to get help into your project. You can, I'm just moving down a bit now. You can take the screenshot so that you can refer later. And I have executed these as well to just demonstrate the things. So hope these dot where and dot filter is pretty much clear to you guys, and if not, kindly let me know into this comment section. And thank you so much for watching the videos. If you found this video helpful, kindly like to the video, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned to the channel for upcoming Pyspark methods and functionalities. See you in the next one.